Hi, my name is Jawan, and I chose to do my presentation on beavers and what makes them a keystone species. What beavers do. Beavers are semi-aquatic mammals that use trees, rocks, and sediment to block off the flow of slow-moving streams and rivers. And they do this primarily to create standing bodies of water. And they do this for protection because, contrary to popular belief, beavers don't live in the dams. They use the dams to create the bodies of water to build lodges in. So once they have a standing body of water, they will actually build a lodge in the middle of that body of water, and this helps give them protection from their predators such as bears and wolves and things like that. How dams affect the environment. So beaver dams create new bodies of water by slowing the flow of streams and rivers and creating ponds. And this stored up water, these bodies of water, can help mitigate the effects of dry seasons and droughts because there is a large supply of water being stored here. And ponds made by beaver dams hold a large amount of sediment as well, which helps prevent soil erosion on the banks of these rivers and streams that they block up. And dams work as water filters by filtering out debris, sediment, and pesticides, making the water downstream cleaner than the water that comes in upstream. And ponds act as carbon sinks by helping to store carbon and not allowing a lot of carbon to be released into the environment. How dams affect other organisms. So the nutrient-rich area around beaver ponds help new plant life grow. And as you can see in the pictures to the right, the photo on the right is a section of the river Utah that does not have a beaver dam. And you can see it's very uniform, and there's not a lot of plant life other than grass around the river. But in the photo to the left is another section of the river Utah that does have a beaver dam, and you can see there's a lot of pooling of water. There's a lot more larger shrubs around this area here. So you can just see that there's a lot more life abundant in the area with the beaver dam. And the ponds work as a water source for a lot of surrounding animals, and this brings in new animals like deer and wolves and birds and things like that. And these also generate new feeding grounds for predators that are attracted to a lot of the other animals that are here as well. Nature's engineers. Beavers are one of the only organisms outside of humans that alter their environment for their own needs. By building dams, beavers create whole new ecosystems. They basically create new bodies of water that didn't exist before. And beavers earn the title Keystone species because they can help stabilize their environments and provide resources for other organisms to thrive.